Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're exploring Replit AI, the coding assistant built right into Replit's IDE that's getting a lot of attention from developers. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or simply curious about AI coding tools, this review will give you a clear, straightforward overview. So what is Replit AI? It's an integrated tool that supports multiple programming languages, offers real-time code auto-completion, suggests fixes, and even explains code in plain English, so you don't need to switch between different tools. For beginners, it's like having a tutor available 24/7. One Reddit user even described it as a lifesaver for learning Python. But it's not without flaws. Experienced developers on Reddit and Hacker News say it's not yet on par with GitHub Copilot. Some suggestions can feel too generic, and with larger projects you might notice lag or less accurate results. Looking at Trustpilot reviews, the feedback is mixed. Many users praise its simplicity and the supportive community, while others mention issues with customer service and the subscription pricing for pro features, which include access to the AI. The biggest strength, though, is ease of use. Whether you're writing a quick Python script, experimenting with JavaScript, or learning HTML for the first time, Replit AI makes the process simple and beginner-friendly. In summary, Replit AI is a great choice for learners and casual coders who want AI help directly in the browser. It's fast, simple, and often very helpful. But for professional developers, it may feel more like an assistant than a complete replacement. And that's it. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.